acid reflux tips and tricks you need today. Do you have an acid reflux problem? If you do, then you likely have suffered through many days with that feeling in your throat. It can lead to larger problems, and it's time that you took control over your life and your acid reflux. There are ways to make sure this problem is gone for good, so keep watching. Stay away from acidic foods. They can both cause and exacerbate acid reflux. While this is by no means a comprehensive list, try to avoid oranges, tomatoes, grapefruit and vinegar. If you can't cut them out of your diet completely, at least try to avoid eating them in the evenings, so acid reflux doesn't strike when it is time for bed. Don't just assume your acid reflux is a fact of life or consequence of your active lifestyle. If you find yourself suffering through frequent bouts of discomfort related to acid reflux, see your doctor. It may be something you ate or an indication that you need to slow down in life, but it could also be something else you need to take care of. Never skip a meal if you have acid reflux disease. When you skip even one meal, you are not putting anything into your stomach, allowing acid to intensify. If you do not feel hungry during a meal time, you could always eat a little something, like a banana or apple. If you have acid reflux disease and you smoke, you may want to think about quitting. Stomach acid levels increase with nicotine consumption. This makes acid reflux worse. You don't necessarily have to go cold turkey to quit, that may actually worsen your acid reflux. Quit slowly instead. Now that you've been told the tips that have been given to you in this video, you need to focus on a good plan for making sure that you bring them to fruition. You don't want to suffer through your acid reflux any more of your days. Put the information you've read to good use as you work towards a better life without acid reflux. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.